Miles, what are you doing? Why is your bike in the pool? Oh, you brought it in so you could wash it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Get it good and clean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good and clean.
Okay.
Are you?
Okay.
You're all done?
Yeah. Bop, 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 bop.
Almost. A little bit higher. Whoa! Crash!
Yes.
Crash! Oh, now what? Now what are you gonna do? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're stuck.
Whoa.
Whoa! Do you hear Papa unhooking the camper?